Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we have my November 2020 Kinder Beauty box to share with you guys. And before we get started, we are going to ignore the fact that when I paint my nails, it gets all over the place. I haven't had a chance to clean it up. I usually pick off the polish that gets on my skin in the shower, and I haven't taken a shower yet because I have not worked out today yet. I'm going to shower after I work out. Anyway, that is a whole roundabout thing to say. Ignore my sloppy ass paint job. And let's go ahead and get looking at this box. So this month's little cardboard insert with the descriptions is this really nice navy blue. And it looks like we have 5 products this month. So let's go ahead and start with this one because this is pretty exciting. This is the Sigmatic Superfood face mask. I'm not going to read the whole description for you, but it retails, this tiny one packet retails for $4. And I'm excited about this because this is something that I have wanted to try. I love Sigmatic edible products, and this is technically clean enough that you can eat it, but I'm not going to eat a face mask. But I like their superfood powders. I like their coffee. I know a lot of people really don't like the coffee. I love the coffee. The taste. I like the taste a lot. It's very earthy, not super acidic. Sorry, I feel like I'm gonna burp. I really love it. So this is something that I've eyeballed the past few purchases I've made on their website, but I'm just like, I don't know. I haven't pulled the trigger, so I'm really excited to try this. It is a powder, and I believe you add water. Yeah. Add half a teaspoon of water and apply to face. Rinse off after 10 minutes. I'm excited to try this, and we'll see if it's any good. Okay, so then, oh God, it's going to tip the box over. Let's grab a different one. This next product is from Little Moon Essentials, and this is the Little Moon Essentials Peaceful Forest Mineral Bath Salt. So that's pretty cool. It's a pretty significantly sized package. You get a lot in there. This is probably enough for several baths, I would imagine. And it says this size retails for $5.50. And I guess Peaceful Forest is the scent. So with it being fall and heading into winter and getting colder, I have been taking more baths recently, so I'm excited to incorporate that into my routine. I don't have many bath products left. I think I have 2 little fizzy things and 2 things from Lush, and that's it. So I've got like 4 bath products, so I'm excited for these salts. They should be nice and relaxing. So 2 products so far that I'm excited for. Next, we'll go with this little guy, and this is the, if we can get it to focus, there we go, All Natural, the Anywhere Cream Multi-Stick in the color Daiquiri. And it says this retails for $35, which is insane for this teeny tiny little thing. But this must be like a badass brand or something. I have no idea. It says you can use it for cheeks and lips and eyes. I've never heard of something red going on the eyes like this, like one of these little cream products, but that's interesting. Let's see if I can open it up. I can take a look at it. Okay, so here's what it looks like on the inside. I'll just rub my finger in it. Oh wow. That is way more opaque than I was anticipating it to be. You can see when you do like just one stroke, it's super dark. So personally on me, I think that's gonna be way too much on the cheeks, but that could be a really nice on the go lip color. I'm going to give that a try sometime over the next month. I think that sounds really interesting. And now I have to go wipe off my finger. Genius. Okay, now that my hand is clean, we have our next product, and this is from Alikia Beauty. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. It is a black liquid eyeliner and it retails for $12.50. So let me show you the name of the product since I'm having trouble with how that might be pronounced. And I just cleaned my hand off, but let's go ahead and get it dirty again. See how opaque this is. So it is like a little brush tip. Oh wow, that's pretty blackest black right there. Nice fine tip. I think this will be a great eyeliner. Although we'll have to see how it wears obviously, but I'm excited for this. This is something I will definitely use. In my upcoming empties video at the end of the month, you will see that I threw a liquid eyeliner in there, and so I'm using a different eyeliner right now, but I love having this kind of thing on hand because it's something I know it will get used. So that's pretty cool. I mean, doing pretty well so far. Sorry if you heard that in the background, that little notification noise. The last product in the box is from Nourish Mantra. It is the Retroni Moroccan Lava Clay Cleanser. And it says this retails for $18. So the packaging is pretty cool. It's got like a nice earthy green clay color on the ends with some gold metallic. And then it is a squeeze tube. Love their packaging. Love the earthy vibe since it's clay. Love the gold metallic. And I love me a cleanser. I don't know that I've ever tried a clay cleanser. But if I could get the... I don't know if that I'm going to get the lid undone. Let's see if I can get some of this on my hand. Yeah, so it's kind of like a gray clay. It's very sticky. It's interesting. I'm very curious to see how that cleanses, how that works as a cleanser. But yeah, I'm gonna wipe my hands off again real quick. Be right back. So yeah, I'm excited to have this cleanser and to give it a try, being that this is a form factor I am not accustomed to. I'm excited to see how it works on my skin. This should be really interesting, and their packaging, very cute. I really like the packaging. So this month I'm pretty pleased. I am excited about this. I'm excited about this, and this. And while I'm not like over the moon about the Daiquiri multi-product, it's something I'm at least gonna give a try. It's probably not something I would reach for constantly. I'm not on the go, to be honest. I feel like this is a good on the go product. I'm stuck at home, not leaving my house or doing anything. So I'm gonna give it a try at least. I don't know if it's something I would hold on to long term. I'm probably gonna pass it on to a friend who is more into playing with innovative makeup products than I am. But it's not a bad product. It seems really interesting and really pigmented. But I mean, 4 for $5, being really excited for, that's not bad in my mind. That is fantastic. So probably my favorite Kinder Beauty box that I've gotten thus far. The first few were kind of hit and miss, but this, I'm genuinely intrigued to try almost all these products. I mean, I am intrigued to try this. It's just not something I'd necessarily reach for often. So I'd say November 2020 was a pretty damn good box. If you get the Kinder Beauty box, please let me know if these are the what am I saying? If you get the Kinder Beauty box, please let me know if these are the products that you got as well, what came in your box. I know they usually do like 2 boxes, I think is how it works. Did you get these products? Are you excited for them? What are your thoughts? And if you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. Comments and questions, as always, can go down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And otherwise, I'll talk to you all later. Thanks for tuning in. Bye!